Hi, my name is Jay Her. This is my presentation for Culture and Country Project, Country Rwanda. So Rwanda, the official name of the country is the Republic of Rwanda. It's located in Southeast African continent. It's locked by land. It's a very small, tiny company. Before we proceed to the other items, Rwanda went through a lot of tragedies, such as genocides or dictatorship, poverty, economic hardship. And as time passes, the country is trying hard to get over all those obstacles and then trying to develop the country's economic status. So in Rwanda's business world, appointment alert. In Rwanda, appointments are very necessary and punctuality is considered paramount in business. However, deadlines are often not met and time is fluid in this culture, except for government officials. Government officials tend to emphasize a huge emphasis on the punctuality, especially business meeting. Business dress code is pretty much similar to global standard. So men's wear ties, suit, and women wears a dress and formal wear in business world. So in terms of having conversation with Rwanda, they prefer face-to-face and long meetings. Also, unlike Anglo and Asian culture, people do not necessarily respect the start and break and ending time. It's very flexible, it's very fluid. And their communication style is three key things: indirect communication, high context communication style, and not expressive. Typical countries that use high context conversation styles is Asian countries, Arabic, and then Southern European countries. Indirect communication generally means not communicating directly with one another because they do not want to physically or they do not want to express their bad feelings or objections directly. It is considered not a good manner in some of the culture. So gift giving, make sure you use both hands when giving gifts. There are certain type of appropriate and then inappropriate gifts. Appropriate gift is food items and then books, and inappropriate gift is expensive items. And in terms of agreements on the deal, they pretty much follow, they do not have specific tradition. They just follow the global kind of standard and then global culture of acceptance, agreement. Like they just shake hands for a sign of agreement. And prosperous entertaining. So Rwanda became one of the hot spots for the live music entertainment. It's not just live music entertainment, it also nightclubs, dancing parties, and then tourist attracted like parties and then that kind of thing. And public behavior, I can say the things that we need to be careful when we are trying to have a business with them. So it's common for Rwandans to be 30 minutes to an hour late. So flexibility is always encouraged and then required. However, Rwandans expect foreigners to be on time, even if they do not. Also, they tend to very minimal physical, or I can say personal space when they are having communication with each other. People often talk very close to each other, and less than an arm's length is common in most situations. So we better get used to it.